Hello traders, FX Major is right here. So I want to show you guys this strategy that I've been using and I'm using to catch these spikes or the spikes you're seeing here. All right, you can see we having multiple spikes. It's not just one spike. Take one spike and you run out of the market. Right, this one here, you take multiple spikes, long crazy spikes, multiple long crazy spikes. So I will show you guys how to do that and why I think this is the right way to catch spikes or even scalp the boom and crash market. Okay, so if you're new on our channel, smash the like button, smash it really hard because I'm about to release something really powerful here. You're gonna love it. Yeah, so the message is right here, guys. A lot of people comes to me and be like, what's your strategy? How do you catch spikes so perfectly well? Even on my channel, my VIPs ask the same questions. But today I want to show you guys that this is very simple. What I'm showing you guys is not indicator strategy. I'm not telling you to add RSI, MA, Chimoku and all. I'm trying to show you guys the right way to trade, the best way you can be trading and be making good profits for yourself. All right, stay consistent because you guys need to understand that this market is dynamic. Okay, a market can decide to change the direction at any time or change the way it moves at any time and do whatever it likes. Now, if you're depending on RSI, I'm telling you to buy RSI at this point, sell at this point, and you're expecting market to always give you that, you're deceiving yourself. You cannot come and be telling the person that is giving you boom and crash strategy that is a scam. It's not a scam. What's that thing you're saying works perfectly well, but if you don't have the experience, like combine price action and the indicator, trust me, you can never have good winning rates. Your accuracy will be crazy, messed up, right? So you need to have this knowledge, price action knowledge, how to analyze the market the right way, and also you need to know the market trend is very important. So now let's say I'm telling you to be selling boom, scalp boom 500, and your indicator tells you to scalp boom 500, but you can see what boom 500 is doing. But yeah, this is a downtrend, and boom 500 will be seeing a downtrend. The indicator will be saying the downtrend, will be telling you to sell, and you keep selling and you keep spiking. You keep spiking and you keep selling, and you keep spiking and taking your money. That's because you don't know price action. But with price action, you can be able to tell, even when the indicator tells that price has gotten to the overbought zone, you should sell. You will not want to sell. Why? Because you are aware, you know what the market is actually doing. So look at what the market is doing now. We are in a downtrend. We are in a very strong downtrend. You can see the trend. We are in a strong downtrend, and the market got to this point and decide to change direction. So I'll play everything here and make the analysis from top for you guys to see how I've been doing my analysis. So this trade you're seeing here, I've waited for this trade for like 2 weeks, a week, and all right, for market to get to my point of interest. I waited for this trade for like a week, and it has gotten to my point of interest. So this was my support. I placed my support right here. You can see market cut dropped back to this, my support. All right, dropped back to my support. I saw the market somewhere here, just somewhere here, and I had to wait patiently for days, for a week, and for market to get to this point. All right, when market dropped down to this level, I knew that markets will be going down a bit. Market will be dropping below this line, the black line just placed there. I knew that markets will be dropping down below. Why? Because it has to take out some liquidity here. We have so many buyers on this zone, on this support. We have so many buyers that want to start buying from here, and their SL will be down here. It will come as if it's going to buy, to go up a bit, then back and take their profit, up, back and take their profit. Let me show on the 4 hours time frame. You can see here on the 4 hours time frame, market dropped the first time. Some people wanted to catch the spike on this very zone, and the market dropped down to this point, took their money, then went up again, Around this level now, some people feeling that the market will want to retest and start dropping. They start selling. Market goes up and take their money again. Market rejected again and close below this zone. Some people would think that markets want to sell. Market goes up again, take their money. Then started coming down. As it was coming down, some people placed their entry here, sell entry here, and their SL up to this point. Market went down, went up, down, and up, and poof, without letting them know, right? So now you can see it has taken so much money from these people, and see what it's doing now. All right, so it has broken that zone, and that's taking their money and shake them off. It was actually shaking them off around this zone, and it's pushing up now. So now I had to wait for market to do all that. Then after doing all that, I know that market will be going up. Then I had to wait for my candle confirmation. This was my candle confirmation. This is my ideal candlestick. All right, this is the kangaroo candlestick. All right, that's the kangaroo tail, and market printed this kangaroo tail on the 4 hours time frame. Look, if you go on the 4 hours time frame, 4 hours has the best candlestick. Its candlestick on the 4 hours time frame is always very reliable. Okay, so it's always my ideal chart for me to get a good signal, good candlestick that gives me my buy or sell signal depending. So after seeing this candlestick, you can see the information we've gotten from this candlestick. You can see the rejection. This shows the battle between the buyers and the sellers. All right, that the buyers took over the market after a while, and that's why we had this long rejection. And market took the buyers took over. Then after market this candlestick closed, I made an entry here. I opened my entry right there. And my L sell somewhere down here. Market went down and then started going up. Even when it was coming down, I wasn't really afraid. Why? Because I know that market will be going up because of this long rejection we had here on the 4 hours. So now remember, we had the first confirmation on the daily time frame, which is this support here, this line. Then the second confirmation is waiting for market to take out liquidity. Now, when you come down here on the daily time frame, let's check this place again, this other side on the daily time frame. On our daily time frame, we see we have this unmitigated week here on the daily time frame. This is a high probability. That shows that we have more buyers here because of that we had this long rejection. We have so much buyer around this zone, so markets will respect this zone and start going up, right? So now if you go back to the 4 hours time frame, this is our 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we had the first structure here. Markets went up and there was a sweep of liquidity here. Took out some people around this level. There's a sweep of liquidity. After this level, market pushed up, all right, and started ascending, rally up, right? Then back to this point again to give us our structural liquidity around this level that it will be coming back in future to take. Guys, this shit is crazy. It's very simple. This is what happens every time in the market. So market started going up and creating those structures, and it was creating these structures. It was keeping those liquidity around here so that as it's coming back, it's taking it out. It's taking them out, right? It will be sweeping this liquidity. You can see after a while, after weeks or could be a month, market drop back to this point again, just to take the liquidity and start going up again. All right, so that's another confirmation there. Then we have another confirmation again. On the daily time frame, we have something like this. We have a trend. We have a bullish trend here, ascending channel. Or you put your trend line here and also drag it to the future. You can see that market just move away from that level. You can see that market just moved away from that level. All right. So you can see market just touched this line and started moving. Just touched the line and started moving. So this is a high probability setup because this is an uptrend. Guys, this is very simple. You can see your indicator might be telling you to sell. It is wrong for you to sell. You can see that. Market is still going up. All right. It might push up again to this point. Back to this high here. So let's say my target here is $200. So from here to this point, how much are we will I be making from here to this point? I'll be making over $300. All right, over $300. Okay, so this is for the least lot size, the smallest account. So let's check my big account, like another big account. Like, okay, let's say like $200 or $500 accounts, or even $1,000 accounts, because I trade on so many accounts. Okay, so with just 0.2 lot size, which is almost 0.3 lot size, which is almost the least lot size, we could make 300 and something dollars with just one position. And we are planning to open more positions when I get a good confirmation. So look at these accounts right now. This is like our $500 account. So let's say market comes back again to this point. We'll be making 1,100. So if I open like 5 positions, but I'm planning to open more positions. If I open like 5 positions, that means I'll be making like $5,500 if market gets to that point. That's simple. Why you be staying on the 1 minute time frame, want to catch one spike and jump out, catch one spike and jump out? I'm looking at making more money. So as you're trying to catch spike, you lose some, you make some, you might end up losing more. And then I'll pack all these pips, I'll pack all these points, I'll pack all these pips, all these profits all the way here. I'm leaving nothing behind all the way here. So you can see why you should learn price action. And if you come learning price action with me, this counter is running right now with just $70. You could make so much money. So let's look at this. We're having like $90 right here. $90 was about $50 something each position. We have like $90 running here now. Now, it's just $70 for you to pay $70 to be making like $1,000, $500, depending on a daily basis. And what I'm saying is, I'm not joking. Let's say you have $500. Sorry, you have $100. You split the $100 into 5 places, $20. You risk $20 each trade. With good risk management, you risk $20 each trade. And this kind of trade now, you're risking $20. You could make up to $400 with just this. From here to here, you could make up to $400 with just $20. So, and you're paying just $70 to earn this knowledge, to get this skill, and you can make it more daily with this skill. So in 2024, if you don't know how to analyze the market, I feel sorry for you. If you are waiting for indicator to tell you what to do, that's so bad. That's so wrong. You need to stand up. You need to, kickstart already and start making money for yourself. You might not learn. You must not learn from me. I'm not saying you should learn from me, but look for someone you could learn from and make sure that the person knows what he or she is doing. All right. So you can see that now. That's the target. You can look at that. So if market gets back to that point, you can be making thousands of dollars. All right. So I'm waiting for this chart for a long time. Indicator will never tell you this. So now look at this candlestick that we have here on the daily time frame. Have you taken note that this candlestick is the same candlestick I saw, the same confirmation I saw on the 4 hours time frame before the market started going up? So now we're having the same candlestick again on the daily time frame. Hopefully, if this market closes with this candlestick like this, that means we are seeing the same thing that's happening on the 4 hours time frame happening here on the daily time frame. Market's going back to the high, probably going back to this point. It's good to go back to this point, and I'm ready to hold market to take profit somewhere here. This is my 300. At least TP1 could be there, and TP2 somewhere here, or even here, depending on how it moves. All right. So you can see, with just small amounts of money, you don't even need much. With just $10, you can make so much money with $10. If you have the skill, you don't even need to stress yourself anymore. So guys, the measure is right here. Smash the like button. Hit that like button really hard. Okay. Let's make money together, guys. So much money to be made. So much money to be made. And also, I gave signal on crash. I took a trade on crash 1000. Crash 1000. This was my entry here. I missed the main entry. This was my entry on crash 1000. Those I didn't risk much, just to lot size. But we made over $100. My target was to make $100 each. My TP was somewhere here. Yeah, two positions. Let me see. Okay, yes, my TP was somewhere here. Was here. I targeted this low. Yes, my TP was right there. So I made $100 each position with one lot size. All right. So I made $200 from this crash 1000. I see crash 1000 breaking because this is also a trade I waited for days. know that it could drop down to this point, at least this point, or even this point again in future. So we should be expecting that for crash 1000. So guys, you can see I've given you guys more reasons for you to take or have a high probability setup. You need to have more reasons you're taking the trade, more reasons you're taking that trade. All right, you need to have more reasons you're taking that trade. You should have like at least 4 to 5 reasons why you're taking the trade. I've given you so many reasons. Reason one is seeing this level as my support, this black line here as my support. Level two, the second reason is we are in an uptrend. You can see the trend passing around that very level. We are in an uptrend. That's level 2 reason. The third reason is liquidity, like I showed you on the 4 hours time frame. All right. Then that's third. The fourth is liquidity that was taken out here. All right, the sweep of liquidity and all, the structural liquidity and all. Then this one here is the demand zone. This is the demand, shows that this demand and on mitigated week. So we have like 6 reasons why we took this trade. And then on the 4 hours time frame, I waited for market to took them out, and then I had this confirmation, candlestick confirmation on the 4 hours time frame, 4 hours candlestick confirmation. Then I took the trade. So you can see I've given you like 5, 6, 7 reasons why I took this trade. So you need to have more reasons you're taking this trade. There are so many reasons. So the academy is open for June batch. We start on the 10th of this month. So sign up, guys. Just $70. We're having special discounts. All right, that's running down $70. You can have this knowledge, this skill for just $70 in the next 1 month. Trust me, if you join my academy, if you don't make money in the first 1 month, then I will refund your money. I will not just refund your money, I will double it for you. And I'm serious. Once you fund your account, if you cannot make money in the first 1 month, I'll refund your money. I'm not joking. I'm not joking, guys. I know what I'm saying. I have so many people testifying. Even my VIPs, you're the best. I love you guys. Bye-bye.